Append integer to beginning of list in Python. How do I prepend an integer to the beginning of a list?
Note: don't use list as a variable name.
How it works. List.insert index value. Insert an item at a given position. The first argument is the index of the element before which to insert, so xs.insert 0x inserts at the front of the list, and xs.insert len xs x is equivalent to xs.append x. Negative values are treated as being relative to the end of the list.
Another way of doing the same.
Note that if you are trying to do that operation often, especially in loops, a list is the wrong data structure. Lists are not optimized for modifications at the front, and some list.insert 0 something is an ORN operation. Some list.pop 0 and del some list 0 are also ORN operations. The correct data structure to use is a dict from the collections module. Dicts expose an interface that is similar to those of list, but are optimized for modifications from both endpoints. They have an append left method for insertions at the front. Demo.
First,